Joining the trend for the exchange gifts in small packages with a twist kasama ang Lucena content creators. Tara, let's! The schedule for the year-end party was set maaga pa lang, pero nahirapan kami sa schedule dahil watak-watak yung schedule namin. Finally, we get to meet one another again for the year-end party.
Fragrant, diba? Ay, baka kasi pagtapon ko mabasag. Sayang. Ay, Georgina. Ay, ito.
Next, Mami yan. Something pink.
Lahat meron. Ay, Georgina.
Next, I see something starts with letter C.
Ayaw niya.
That can be used privately. Mami, tasty something hard.
Gano'n ka-hard yan, Mami?
Naman na yan, Mami. Ayun sa akin.
Ayun, akin na.
Kunin niyo na yung inyo. Sa akin. Kayo, Mami.
Something soft.
Something sa...
Kala mo naman. Hi, Polly.
Flexing the raffle prizes na napanalunan namin. Nakadalawang rounds kami. Thank you, Lucena Content Creators. Na-miss namin ikaw, Sir Kenan. And syempre, would like to say thank you to Johnny's Cafe. At kay Miss M para sa Munchkins Muchi. Follow, like, and share. Cause every story gets better when shared. Ta-ta!
Ay, wow! And then the extreme.